Hi there, it's Bianca. Today, let's learn a very useful set phrase, 打交道. This authentic expression will enrich your conversations and impress others with your command of Chinese. In English, 打交道 means to deal with or to engage in interactions with someone or something. For example, 他每天都与各种各样的人打交道. He interacts with all sorts of people every day. 作为一名数学家，他经常跟数字打交道。As a mathematician, he often deals with numbers. Just as 打交道 highlights the importance of interaction and engaging with various elements, countries also need to foster interactions among themselves. When meeting with his U.S. counterpart Joe Biden, Chinese President Xi Jinping said, 这么两个大国不打交道是不行的。For two large countries like China and the United States, turning their back on each other is not an option. In the complex world of international relations, it is crucial to work together and keep communication open. This is important for tackling common challenges and ensuring progress for everyone involved. It is an objective fact that China and the United States have differences in history, culture, social system, and development paths. However, as long as they respect each other, coexist in peace, and pursue win-win cooperation, they will be fully capable of rising above differences and find the right way for the two countries to get along with each other. 打交道, interacting and engaging with each other, whether in daily life or international relations, forms the foundation for understanding and collaboration. 打交道, interact or come into contact with. 你学会了吗？